Hi, my name is Erica, and I currently work at a daycare. We do have up to preschool age. And I thought this was a very fun assignment that I could look up the tangible and the virtual manipulatives. So the first one I did is the tangible manipulatives. So I chose the plastic pattern blocks. Now, I think these are fun and exciting, and I would use these personally for preschool age, but they could be up to 8th grade, really. I think they are very attractive for like preschool to 2nd graders, just with the fun colors and the shapes. And I came up with a little center activity. I figured with these, they could learn the relationships among shapes. They could do fractions in older years. So the fun thing is the yellow hexagon here. You could actually create it with these other shapes, which you would be easy to show, like the fractions of them. In this kit, it comes with the yellow hexagons, the green triangles here, the orange squares, the red trapezoids, the blue parallelograms, and the tan rhombuses right down here. You could explain the shapes to the kiddos, and then finally I was thinking for the, like a center, you could have these cards, and they could match the shapes with the cards, and then at the end they could count how many shapes it took to make that design. This could be a seasonal thing. You could do this every so often for themes. So, like, I found these cards for a winter center. It could be with the hat and hot cocoa and the mittens and the penguins, but I'm sure they would have like flowers, a whole bunch of things that would excite kiddos. Alright, for my virtual manipulative, I love money, and I know that just interests the kids, I believe. So my son is currently in 1st grade, and I know he is all about, like, how much is this worth? What can I buy with this amount of money? And I found this website, which, let me see if I can get it to click on it. Here, I have it open on another page. Hold on one second. Alright, so this site I found, it's Math Learning Centers. I have the link there for you guys to search it if you'd like, but I thought this was very interesting. So you can do the dollar, which obviously is worth 100 pennies, and then you could do the penny and see for yourself that that is 1/100th of a dollar. And then the nickel as well, it's 5 of the blocks. And these things, the pennies, they just kind of hook onto each other nicely, so you could see that it's equal. Let's see, and then you just go over here and click another one, and then with a dime you can see that it's 10. And I just think it's a nice way of showing it, and it's easy. I mean, it's fun to click on and just add whatever. I think kids love things online now instead of just staring at a book or a worksheet. Now with this, I have 2 different ideas that could work with this. So I could actually do a paper assignment where they would have to figure out what a nickel, quarter, penny, and dime all equal. And I mean, that could be fun. And then I also thought it could be used as like a math center as well, where I could even put a jar of money out and let them count how much money is in that jar, and they can use that website to help them as well. And that could be both tangible, where they could hold the money, and do the virtual as well. And this assignment would help students understand how money works, what each item is worth. Either way, it would be a fun assignment. I hope everybody found ways of learning how to use these with their class, and I hope they all enjoyed it. Thank you so much.